So inside of November's Whiff box, let's open this up. I figured a point of view recording would be fun. Okay, so the first thing in all of your Scentsy Whiff boxes is a fun description of what the Whiff box is. Some fun crafty projects for those of you that like to do fun things with paper and colorful papers. Pretty cute, huh? Okay. Let's see. We got a Dancing Sugar Plums Scentsy bar. Let's take a smell of that. See what that smells like. It smells so good. You definitely can smell the plum in that. So a great way, I have never warmed this yet this season, so this is going to be a great way for me to be able to experience something new. Okay, we got another Scentsy bar in here. This one is Best in Snow, which I absolutely love and actually needed one of these. So here we go. You get a Best in Snow bar. Okay, each month the Scentsy Whiff box has new product. They'll always come with samples. Let's take a look and see what we got. We got some Amazon Rain laundry liquid to try and some Scent Soft with Amazon Rain scent as well. Both really popular scents. And this is, again, a great way to try a new scent, fragrance in products that you might be using, or maybe you haven't tried our laundry products, which you really should. So you get to try those. Ooh, another bar, Jeweled Pomegranate, which was November's scent of the month. Love it. It smells amazing. It's always nice to have an extra one of those on hand. Another cool thing that you can do with your Whiff box if you're ordering it for yourself is it's a great way to give little gifts to people. You can break down the box and gift the things that you may not want to use, or just to have extra little gifts of tokens of gratitude and appreciation that you can share with your friends and family and coworkers. Lots of good stuff. Car bar, Snow-Kissed Cranberry. Ooh, I think I'm gonna put this in my car this week. Car bar. Okay, the value of this exceeds the $30 that you're spending on it, especially with the samples included. All right, what's this big guy? This is a big bag of Scentsy Soak, which is very popular. This is a great way to relax. I, of course, don't take baths on a regular basis. I know some of you would be shocked. What I do love about this, though, is you can put some of this in a hot bath or a tub of some sort and just soak your, I would just soak my feet in this and they would smell so good. But this is a very popular item. It's a lot of product, 2 pounds of wonderful soak, bathtub soak. Okay, so you get that, heavy. And then last but not least is a sample, and I have not smelled this, you guys. I'm producing a video later for the December's Warmer and Scent of the Month. This is Arctic Kiss. This is a Scentsy cup sample, which is a pretty good amount. I would say probably guessing it's about 2 cubes out of your bar of wax, maybe just a tiny bit more. And this is a great way, again, to test new product. And as a Whiff box purchaser, you would be able to get to sample the coming month's Scent of the Month before it actually drops. So, all right, so this was November's Scentsy Whiff box, $30. This box can be purchased individually, or you can add it to a Scentsy club and receive it monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. Comes with lots of great products, and it's a wonderful gift giving idea this year. If you have any questions, please comment below, or feel free to reach out to me if you'd like to place an order, or visit the links below to get started with your first, or definitely not last, Scentsy Whiff box purchase.